Welcome to the colorful and lively beach town of Tamarindo, located in the canton of Santa Cruz. Make sure to stay tuned because in this video we're gonna take you on a walking tour around town to show the best things to do in Tamarindo. And what better way to do that than with our friend and local collaborator, Chispa Tamarindo. So, where are we right now?
Alright, so this is the main entrance of Tamarindo where you will find most of the businesses and parking spaces around here, Bastian.
Okay, so let's have a look. So as you can see, the main street of Tamarindo lies parallel to the beach, which is really convenient. And if you come down here with your car, you can park your car here at the Rasta parking, where Bob Marley is more than happy to look after your car while you enjoy the beach. How do you call these people in Spanish again?
Watchman.
A watchman.
Watchman.
To watch you over your car.
Hola, amigo, hola. Go aquí, Rasta Parking. Bueno,
So Stefano,
Yes.
what can you tell me
Yeah.
about this segment right over here?
This will be the entrance of the heart of Tamarindo.
So we're halfway down the main street. We already seen a lot of colorful restaurants and shops and hotels. And where are we right now?
So we are in this small little corner. It has several small little kiosk units. Everything that's made here pretty much with the material here in Costa Rica.
Local products from local material, great for souvenir shopping. Okay, so as you can see, the street splits up in two. That's the second main street of Tamarindo. But first, we're gonna finish this street and check out the Tamarindo roundabout. Let's go. So, let's check out this place.
Chispa approved.
So, welcome to La Palapa, our favorite beachfront restaurant. First of all, Stefano, what is La Palapa?
Well, La Palapa is a restaurant that is right before you get to the rotunda. You will find it on the right hand side, and it's got this amazing breeze and this beautiful scenery.
Every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, live music. Every day there's a fire show, and also important, as you can see, our videos are being played on the screen here. So, Stefano, what kind of food do we have here?
La Palapa is concentrated in a seafood grilled steak. And you'll find everything that's on the coastlines that's alive right in the front of your table.
And also important is that the happy hour is every day, all day. And what is a palapa?
La Palapa is right next to you on your right hand side.
And I've touched the head, or
You gotta touch the head.
good luck. We're gonna talk some more about Tamarindo in a minute, but I just checked. It's 12 o'clock somewhere, so
Yeah, why not?
Cheers. So Stefano, Tamarindo is among the most popular beach towns here in Costa Rica. Why? What's so special with Tamarindo?
As far as I know, around the world too.
Oh, okay.
First, Tamarindo is a family-oriented town, very small town. Tamarindo has probably the best weather for surfing, for a lot of activities. Definitely has a lot of different societies, different people from all over the world that live here. So it's like a small melting pot.
Of culture and diversity.
Yes, and it's really under maybe 15,000 population that are really full-time here. Probably less than that.
Pros and cons, tours in Tamarindo. Give me two.
Pros is that there is a vast majority of things that you can do with tours. Could be from boating, fishing, from seeing wildlife, from seeing waterfalls, alligators. Cons, it's pretty hot, so always have to have a bottle of ice cold water around you at all time. A nice cocktail will help you. And that's probably the con that you get in regards to, like, you gotta suffer the heat, but it is very good for you. It's vitamins.
There you go. Up, up. Hey! So as you can see, right now we're at the roundabout of Tamarindo at the end of the main street. And right over there is La Palapa. And right over there is the surf shack. Let's have a look. Welcome to the surf shack. So a couple of things very important. First of all, as you can see, they're also showing our videos right here. So what makes the surf shack so special? Well, first of all, they got the best hamburgers in town and the best milkshakes. They got really all flavor, like peanut butter milkshakes. I never heard that before.
They even have a peanut butter burger.
So another thing is important. They got a playground for children. Outside, they also have a playground for children. They do kids venues, birthday, monthly meet and greet for expats, live music, and they also started a community center, preschool for kids, and daycare for kids. So Surf Shack, basically, they have it all, right?
I can tell you that Surf Shack is very well connected with the Tamarindo community.
And it's close to the beach, so after lunch you can go up, up, and away into the water. So you know it's a good burger when you need to get your hands dirty. So I don't know about you, but I'm stuffed.
I'm full. But damn, very well.
Very good food, but whatever you order,
It's
check your breakfast.
Surf Shack is a place to be around here.
Absolutely. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take the shortcut in this alley and go back to the second main street and continue our tour. Let's go.
Come on.
So as you just saw, a golf cart, you can rent them here in Tamarindo. They're a very popular way of transport. But you can also go for the go-kart, what's it called?
I believe that's no, it's right here. E-bikes.
An e-bike. You can also get an e-bike, you can pay that with your card. So there's many ways to go to Tamarindo. But after the lunch we had, we're gonna stick to walking. So now we're back in the second main street. Right over there is where we had the crossing before. And right over there, we're gonna continue our walking tour. Anything special about this landmark?
You gotta be here during the nightlife. Nightlife.
Who's ready to party?
This gets crowded with a lot of people that are selling either all sorts of kebabs or meats. Then right behind you, there's rumors. This is a shortcut that will actually cater to a lot of clubs. Every day is a Friday, every day is a Saturday.
Disco on the street every day.
Yes, that's correct.
Cool. So let's see more.
go.
There's the... So right now we're at the heart of Tamarindo. Right at the center is where you pick up your taxis. There's the bus stop. And right over there is, behind me, is the skate park, where every Saturday morning is the local farmers market from 8 till 2.
Farmers market, I would say 6:30. Hey, try to be there before 9 o'clock because it gets pretty busy. A lot of residents already know what they're looking for, and they're there before you are there. Everything's handcrafted. Everything is organic. This is the heart. This is the heart of Tamarindo right here.
So make sure not to miss out. If you get lost, this is the center. And make sure to visit farmers market. We're gonna go that way first. So, up.
And away.
So at first glance it might see that there's not much to do in the street, but beside the big supermarket and of course the Banco Nacional, very important, we're standing here right in front of El Terreno food court, where there are 4 unique and very nice restaurants, starting with Maria Juana. That was really good food. Whew. They got really nice gourmet food, they got beautiful wines and delicious dessert. Then we have Zolu, the Mexican taco bar, also really good.
Kabuto.
Kabuto sushi.
Kabuto.
Best sushi in Tamarindo.
Yeah.
And if you prefer to go for healthy food, Sarah's Salads and Smoothies for salads and smoothies. This is our final point of view on the end of this street. And you might think, what's there? Right now you might not see much, But every, when is it?
Thursday
night, you have the night market over here.
Fun, adventurous. You meet all kinds of people from around the world.
Live music or DJ?
Kids, DJs. From, I want to say 6:30, let's just say, till 10:30.
Till there's no more beer.
Yeah,
So that's the final landmark on this part of the street. We're gonna go back to the heart of Tamarindo and take a left and show you the final place of this tour. Let's go. Okay, so going down to this street, we come out at La Langosta, which is another story for another day. And right here, as some of you have already seen in our previous videos, and Jardín food truck park with 13 different food trucks with all sorts of food. You remember we ate in the most some of them?
yes.
Oh.
You can't go wrong with the
You
food
can go
here.
on with the food. Really, really nice.
You have different types of cultures, yeah, from all over the
A
world.
mix of cultures from all over the world. Nightly entertainment with music. So yeah, a nice place to eat and look at the stars.
This is the entrance of Playa Tamarindo.
Let's check that out. Carlos! Hola, Mike.
Pura vida,
¿Todo bien?
Pura vida. Pura vida.
So, if you want to do tours in Tamarindo, make sure you check out with Carlos from Loco Tours. So,
Super glad to help you guys.
and as you can see here, our videos are on the screen. Whether you want to go surfing or kayaking, snorkeling, wildlife safari, Rio Celeste or Rincón de la Vieja, Carlos is your guide. And after every tour, some fruit and beers. So, welcome to Tamarindo Beach. If you head that way, you end up at Playa Grande, Playa Ventanas, and Playa Caron, which you can see in our other videos, 5 Beaches of Tamarindo. Link in the description, or click the link here in your screen. And if you turn around, all the way over there is Playa Langosta.
Don't forget, Isla Capitan.
Ah, right over there, Isla Capitan, where you can go snorkeling and kayaking. So that sums it up for the daytime. This is a great spot to come and see the sunset. A lot of people come here around
5:30, 6. Right now it's what time exactly?
something past 4.
Yes. It's most of the people gather here. Enjoy each other's companies, friendships, meet other people, connect.
And every day is a different Pinterest sunset, so make sure to come down and don't miss out on that. And here on the beach you can take your surf lessons or just enjoy the warm waters. And what's left? The nightlife. Let's check it out.
Yes, we should.
Up.
And away.
Hey!
Who's ready to party?
And what better way to explore the nightlife of Tamarindo than a bar crawl experience? You would be doing this entire tour in reverse, passing some of the best bars and nightclubs in Tamarindo along the way. Have lots of fun and discover the best places to party in Tamarindo while making new friends. The bar crawl includes entry fees and shots all night long. More information and other useful links are in the description below. And with that, we conclude our Tamarindo walking tour. You can see more of the mentioned places and tours in our Tamarindo playlist. We hope you enjoyed this video and include Tamarindo to your itinerary. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because we'll show you more amazing places to visit around Costa Rica. Chispa approved. Up. Hey! Check out our website or watch this video next to see our Tamarindo Catamaran sunset tour. See you there!